Babe, what's two things that you can't eat for breakfast? Da, 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 da.
Two things you cannot eat for breakfast?
Yes.
So it's not food.
No, of course it's not food.
So what?
It's got to be harder than that.
What else you can put in your mouth other from food? You cannot eat it for breakfast.
I don't know.
Oh, juice, water?
No. It's lunch and dinner. You can never have lunch for breakfast or dinner. I think it's a stupid question.
Oh,
Really.
yeah. Can't have lunch for breakfast or
You
dinner.
can't
Oh,
have
yeah. That makes sense. Yeah.